Quality is a very important thing when you are managing a project. Everyone knows that. But how to use these tools of quality? You see, you use checklist, check sheets, surveys to collect the data. Getting the data is very important. We do that in quality assurance while the project is in progress, as well as in quality control. Once you have collected the data, now the next thing is what to do with that data. So you collected the data, you plot it using histogram. Now histogram will show you frequency of distribution, or using trend chart you can see how the things are moving, or using control chart you can even see is the process in control or out of control. These tools will be very important. Now if you want to prioritize the same thing, there's a special chart called Pareto chart. It is based on Pareto principle, that is 20-80 principle. The most important thing he will show you first. Like let's say there are 100 defects. What are the 20 defects you need to focus on right now? What are the 20 problems that you need to focus on that will provide you 80% of the result? So Pareto principle will be very effective for you to see the priority. Now what is the benefit of that? You have received, okay, there are 2 or 3 things that are key. You can use scatter diagram to identify is there any correlation between them, like are they impacting or are they independent to each other. Very effective. I have to say that it is very effective. You can identify is there any relationship between them. Then using fishbone diagram known as root cause analysis, cause and effect diagram, you can actually identify the root cause of the problem. Why this problem, why that problem. Now you have identified that problem using Deming cycle, plan, do, check, act. Now the goal is to improve on this. You see, when we made the quality management plan, we benchmark the standards and we use cost of quality to identify will this be cost of conformance, because quality is gonna cost you either as a form of cost of conformance, money spent to avoid failures, or non-conformance. That's your choice. What do you want to do? I believe in cost of conformance. You put into that quality metrics, keep helping you. What are the key things you need to check? You see, when the deliverable is checked internally by the team in control quality process, and once they say this is good, we get verified deliverable. This deliverable then goes into validate scope where client check and it become accepted deliverable. All these things are the important things to know about the quality. And interestingly, what I just explained, if you know that including quality management plan as cost of quality and benchmark and standards, you know the quality topics. I hope this 3 minutes video made on Sunday helps you to identify everything in the quality process.